dancers. So this is for my main characters, Ariana, Callie, and Morgan. This is what you do during the second half of Dragon Dance #2 intro run. Okay, so you are here talking, and Morgan's here talking, and now Callie's gonna switch foot really quick, so she's where the others are, and all of you are gonna have a side of the box. So the box will be about this high and about this wide. So if Morgan's hand is on the edge right here, but up higher, Callie's hand is right here, but on the edge, the corner of the box right here. And then Ariana has room for 2 hands to be. You guys would go, I'm just gonna use the bar, you would essentially go up with your legs straight back, and then you would, holding on to the box. So Callie, you wanna be close enough to the box that you can use it to balance. I'm gonna do this on my flat foot, but I'm wanting you guys to try to do this on your releves. I think it's easily possible holding onto the box. So you'll be here, and then turn. Wait, I'm sorry. Here, you bring it in. You turn and you open and you go like this. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. All right, your hands back here holding on. Or if you're Morgan, your hands right here holding on. No, 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 no. And then you're gonna go through a fouette like that, and then you're gonna close it in, and while you're in susu, you'll go, stop, no. And then you're gonna see more people. So you're gonna go up to here, open up like this, no, 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 stop. And then do your fouette thing again, oops. And then pull together, and again say stop, no. And then Callie and Morgan will turn this way. They'll go step, step. Gosh, I forgot what I did. Step, no, no, stay back, like that. And so Morgan can just be the same foot. No, stay back. And that would be the right foot out and left foot back. And then Ariana, she's gonna be up here in susu. She goes, stop, no. And she's gonna go like this, like she's like, wanting to save her sister, and her sister is gonna kick her under the chin, so it'll be behind your head so the audience can't see it, but I'll do like that, something like whatever, we'll work it out when I'm a dragon, and then hopefully I can catch you kind of under the chin and you fall this way, so you'll go like this, more or less, probably more graceful because it's eating on me, and then you're gonna do 4 things once you're down there. So the rest of this video is just for Ariana. You're gonna go like this. You'll be on the ground. I'm gonna do it like this so you can practice with me seeing the back and the front, okay? But you'll be looking at the audience at this point. So you'll be down here and you're gonna go, there's 4 dones. So you're gonna go, done. And you're gonna look up and you're finally angry because you've been trying to hold off all the spears this whole time. So you're finally angry. And then you're gonna go like this. You're gonna look at that dragon and I'll be like, looking really smug in the background, and then you will go, they will, okay, so 3 is when you stand, so 3 is stand, boom, like that, there's a note for this, and then you're gonna go like this, give me the spear, you're gonna give me the spear with the tip on this side, and you're gonna take it, and you're gonna go like this. We'll work that out. So let me do that facing you now so you can see more of that the other way. So now this is the audience. So I'm gonna look up, I'm gonna be angry, and then I'm gonna look at the dragon who's smug, and then I'm gonna stand, boom, and then I'm gonna go, boom. You're gonna put the spear in, and then I'm gonna go like this, and then you start the next move with right, left, right, arabesque. Okay, so that goes into the warrior scene.